Sorry about the voice, but what can you do? Been out in Western Queensland on tour and currently just east of Cunnamulla and about 80 k's actually east of Cunnamulla, and there's a whole area out here you can actually see over behind us where the giant windstorms have gone through and knocked over everything. So just show a bit of footage of it, and then over behind us over here you can actually see over here it's all absolutely smashed. This goes on for about I'd say at least 20 kilometres of it along the highway, and don't know how far it goes into the properties, but absolutely wiped out from the giant windstorms up through here. So you can see it all, so check out the footage and have a look. It's only a short video, but yep, there you go.